potentials of my potential, maybe I will join the Discord just off of potential.
And I wonder if you know what it means. What's up, everybody? How you doing?
Potential Southern. Why is no one on TikTok again? Holy man, this is why I don't do anything.
New Costco.
Whoa, you're trying to go to Costco?
No, I'm just on TikTok because no one else wants to be on my TikTok, so I'm just going to TikTok by myself on TikTok talking.
I understand. I understand. I'm gonna join the TikTok. Because I'm that guy. Supporter. Do you feel my support?
I don't know. We'll see, I guess, huh?
I'm in the TikTok. I'm ready to print today, no cap.
Would you ever say like no gizzards, or no? Is that not something you would say?
I mean, it depends. Yo, guys, you want to see a dope ass update to the website? Look at this. Look at that. Click on that. Click on that link. Click on that link. Look how peak that is. JJ cooked. Just know that. I'm not a TikTok guy, so I always forget to join on TikTok too, but always happy to hop on. Yo, W Fasquatch. He's a TikToker.
He's a big balker.
He's a big what?
MNQ.
Sam Trades, first timer here. Look forward to watching you work. Oh, I'm looking forward to watching you work. How about that? You ever think of that? I'm gonna be over your shoulder now. Every single trade. Atlanta will tell you about my run. You know what I'm saying?
Welcome in, Sam. Where
Is
did you
that
hear about
Drake?
us, Sam?
Is that Drake?
Was it from our boy Euro?
Yo, W Euro. This guy's in the finals. Actually crazy.
Oh, what's the update?
I was literally just about to check.
Yep. Beautiful, Sam. Welcome in. Our boy
Oh, he's
Euro.
ahead. He's ahead.
Euro's
50,
ahead?
he's ahead 1400. Guys,
Oh,
let's go. He's in the lead right now. Yeah.
Nice. Euro is in the win, but we know that this other guy does like to swing the bat, winning by like $6,000, $8,000. So Euro might not be here with us today, guys. He might be absolutely dialed in, trying to win that $200,000 without any noise. And you know what? We just got to accept that and wish him the best of luck always. See,
For real. I mean, he already won. Let's be real.
100%.
You know what I mean? He joined a free competition and he's guaranteed 80,000 if he loses this round. Not available though. No cap. Clutch game 7. He's got to do it. He's got to clutch it.
It ain't over till it's over, and we all know that. Job's not finished.
Job finished?
Job finished. Job not finished.
No cap. So what are you looking at today, Mr. Ace?
We're in between that range I kept bringing up yesterday, but we are inside of a nice accumulation range as well. So if I head over here to my daily, you guys will see we do have a nice fat range on the span of a weekly, actually. Sorry, weekly accumulation that we are still inside. And this kind of just puts me at a point where it's like we have to be above 29,800, but we are at a massive reversal point. So we got to be careful. If we're searching for new highs, the perfect targets would be above 29,800 hold, which we still have 100 points till. And then from there, we have, honestly, I'm going to adjust that. There we go. And then from there, we have targets at 30K. After 30K, we have a lot of room from there. So it's 3,356. And then we have all of these closes that occurred off of that weekly. So just taking it day by day and seeing where we go from there. What are you looking at, John?
For me, I am long bias above 750, short under 690. Very simple. I think below 690 we have a lot of room to push. Like a lot, to be honest. I think we could easily go for like 620, 600-ish. But we'll see the open. What news do we got today? Oh, was today Wednesday? No. No news Tuesday. And we have CPI tomorrow and PPI on Thursday. Now, usually, historically, my experience is when there's a shit ton of red folder news in the coming days and it's a no news day, the price could be a little weird, but we'll see at open how we're moving. CPI tomorrow, so this might range exactly. Sorry, no cap.
I already did
On what?
on Ace. I tagged Prophub.
Oh, one at the gym?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I already posted that. Oh, yeah. So, okay. I understand.
There you go, Ramses.
Been waiting for this 1 minute until open. My whole life.
Wow.
Wow, what? Wowzers? Oh, we got pasta in chat. What's up? Share some good mornings before I have 30 seconds. Okay. Good morning, Adam G. Good morning, Ergonomic. Good morning, Lady Wolf. Good morning, Huncho. Good morning, Adriel. Good morning, Aces Big Watt. Good morning, Flaquise. Good morning, Ustag. Good morning, Mamba. Good morning, Fishats. Good morning, Flowers. Good morning, Pasta. Good morning, Varun. Good morning, Turtle. Good morning, Hi. Good morning, Trader. Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, VDV. Good morning, Benji. Good morning, User. Good morning, Kimia. Good morning, Toasty. Good morning, Euro. Good morning, Kurt. Good morning, Kid Drizzle. Good morning, Flex.
Euro
Good morning,
here?
Raz. It's crazy. Good morning, Double Top. Good morning, Eddie.
Guys,
Good
get
morning,
some
Melody.
W's in the chat for Euro, guys. He is here right now. Absolute W, and he is currently leading right now.
Yo, W Euro, but like you cut off my good mornings. You know what I mean? So like,
This matters more right now.
what
Shit.
are we gonna do about that? What are we? Oh shit, it's open. All right, sorry guys. Half of you didn't get a good morning. It is what it is. Sometimes it's how it goes.
Sometimes that's how it goes. That's
W's in the
sometimes how we
shot.
know.
What it mean? Euro beat that motherfucker back to his mommy. Be so peak, dude. So far, imagine getting a free account and pulling out 200,000. Kind of wild when you think about it.
How much are you gonna get taxed over there for that? Just curious.
Where is he at?
He's in the States.
What state? That matters. Is he in Cali or is he in Texas? You know what I mean? Pull me up, but I can't type today. He's tweaking. All right, I invited you. For those of you who, again, don't know, Euro is in the finals of the Tradeify Grand Cup, competing for $200,000 USD. Pretty gangster. Euro, I also invited you.
Hey, can you hear me?
There he is. Yeah, I can hear you.
I didn't know I had to click accept, man.
How are you feeling, baby?
Okay. Let me see. I'm in 4 micro long.
4 micro long right now.
So, anyways, I'm flat now.
Always
Man, I'm exhausted.
You
Like,
can
it's
hear the
not,
stress.
it's not fun any longer. I'm grateful. Like, even if I get second today, I still won. So I'm not. It is what it
100%.
is. I'll do my
100%.
best. It's not like you worked hard on a live and you blew it and you get nothing. Like, I still get something at the end of it, so
Mhm.
I can't complain.
Man, you've been absolutely killing it. Like, I think every single person in this server, especially me, knowing you, meeting you in person, obviously, and actually building an absolute friendship. We were like giving you your flowers inside of the collective yesterday.
Oh yeah,
and
I saw that. I wanted to join, but I was like, man, I don't want to. Well, I didn't
no,
want to
you need
back
a
from the
rest and
lesson,
shit.
and I kind of took the night off. Yeah, I watched the Spurs game, chilled with the kids,
Yeah,
barbecued. Like it was,
and you got the W on with the Spurs. So
and we got the dub. I full ported my last $90 into DraftKings and double that up.
Euro's just a winner, man.
Nah, you just got to show up, man. The more you show up, the luckier you get.
True.
But I'll try my best. I know this guy. I looked at all his trade history. He takes a lot of trades. He's only MNQ, never NQ. So he's got that scalability, but he'll bang out like some pretty decent 100-pointers throughout the day. So counting out your opponent at this level is like a huge mistake. I think he's a very talented trader.
Mhm.
And we'll see. We'll see at the end. Whoever can do better today doesn't necessarily mean that they're a better trader overall. It just means that they were, better on the day. They're more in tune with the market on that day.
It's very
I had
true.
longs last night, and I was like, man, I really didn't want to hold it overnight while I was sleeping, but had I think it would have been absolutely in the bag.
We
Well, I mean, either
are
way, I wouldn't even be slightly stressed about it. You already won.
Yeah, I mean, there's still like an added pressure,
oh
Yeah.
100%.
because obviously the prize difference is huge between second and first, and I think it should be that way.
Mhm.
Um, we'll see. His balance updated, so I don't know if he locked in a little bit more loss last night, and then he might have held longs overnight and not closed it before 7 a.m.
It was 7 a.m. the last update.
The last one, yeah. The next one is noon Eastern, so we'll see where he's
We'll
at
see.
there.
See.
Let's
Like I
see.
said, guys, we're getting pinned from the top of that weekly, which was also our previous day high. So the discrepancy between the two is 750 all the way to the top, which is 788, 33 points. So I'm not surprised to see a reversion here. We are at our second deviation for our weekly anchored VWAP. So obviously could bounce here, but we're just gonna have to chill this morning and see what the price action gives us. What do we have for news today, Sir Jono?
For news, we have no news today. We talked about that. What?
Oh yeah, no news Monday and Tuesday. Tomorrow is CPI. You
Underwater
got the
Whales, you took that
2 days
short?
of no news. Euro.
I just realized that was like Loki
Yeah, I
typing.
know.
I didn't notice who it was.
Look at that, guys.
But hopefully it hits noon and it updates and that dude's up
Dug a
like
massive
30K.
hole.
Yeah.
He's not the type. His
Yeah,
his
Yeah.
he's
losses
actually
are.
not.
But the
I
thing
I
is,
looked at his
he
trades.
is the
His
type to
losses are small.
swing. He always swings the bat though.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, he swings hard. But if you
Yeah,
really
he's always
really
up like
look,
6, 8K freaking
not always.
ridiculous
The last
amounts.
the last couple days. I'm gonna take a little trim ski there.
I just
Nice
got into a
Euro.
long.
I've been in a long, baby. I have a
I
long
just
bias
entered,
today.
baby.
But I'm trading. My fundeds are locked out. I did 250 on them last night. I locked them up. I opened them this morning. I'm like, oh yeah, I've been locked out since yesterday.
Look at that bounce off of our monthly VAL and that second deviation for our weekly anchored, guys. Absolute beauty target right there. Nice little drop and reversion back into those levels for a nice push to our open print incoming.
One for this high.
I want to see the 722
I like
crack.
650.
I'm looking 722 crack, push us up towards the 750. So the thing that's gotten me this far has been capital preservation above everything. Because
Oh yeah.
you can look at my
100%.
bracket. Uh, a bunch of the days early on, I was swinging the back because the prize money was low. So I'd take like just very few
I
trades,
mean,
and I was
even
like,
to
oh,
advance,
whatever.
you needed to make 13K in a week.
Shit.
So
So I did that, but the same
Forgot
thing.
I had a channel.
It's like an eval. You go heavy, and then sometimes you hit. Remember that
yeah.
day with the gold for 4,200? I was like, it'll probably tap.
hmm
I open up like 2 hours later, and like there it is. Remember JJ? You're like, oh, that'd be dope if it hits. That's the first thing I thought of when I saw. I was like, oh, dude, JJ was
Oh
right.
yeah.
This is dope.
There's our previous day high again, guys. So watch out here if you guys are in longs. You would
I
need a
just got mine.
cover 743. You need a hold above 743 for you to crack through yesterday's pivot point high. And to all the new people, welcome. Euro, by the way, your link has been going through the roof in
Has it?
terms of traffic. Yep.
I'll push one more out today with Axe. I mean, I'm trying to just. Dude, I have a huge string. Some people DM me They're like, "Oh,
Yeah.
you own this?" And I'm like, "No, Ace is my mentor. He's the owner. Like, he is the most real one." How much does it cost? I'm like, "It's free. Just join us. Like, just go in there and watch and learn."
Literally.
They're like,
Yeah,
"There's
we
no
were
way
getting
it's free."
support tickets throughout the night. Like all of the London and Asia traders were looking at your post on X, and I guess a lot of
Mhm.
them stepped in here during that time, and our support tickets were like, "Do you guys trade live? What time? Where's Euro?"
Sleeping. I was sleeping.
And then someone messaged me on X for my congratulations post to you, and it was like,
Yeah, I
"Yeah, you got
reposted
all
that.
the excuses, buddy," because I didn't trade the cup. I'm like, man, I'm sorry I
Well, you were
didn't join a
dying in
free
bed.
competition. I didn't join a free competition while I was dying in bed. I'm sorry. That's not a valid excuse for you.
This guy wasn't even on stream.
Not
Uh,
only that, like it is very, very time consuming, right? And then you have to consider um what is the opportunity cost here? Am I taking away from my own trading where I could potentially be making more, even though it's super freaking fun to do the challenge, which is exactly why Euro did it. And now it's resulting in something incredible, right? And not only that, for someone like myself, I'm going to be so honest, who knows how far I would have gone? There were 65,000 traders. And yes, we're so grateful for Euro to advance this far. But someone like myself, where I am a heavier swinger, who knows if I would have got popped right off the rip,
Mhm.
right? So I'm not saying that
uh,
I would have gone as far as Euro. I'm nowhere close to saying that.
there's a lot. There's every day's a what if. Last night, what if I had held?
Exactly.
I literally bottom ticked it. I was in at 320 or 325, something like that. I literally bottom ticked a full mini.
Yep.
I'd be up like 7K this morning. I would have closed it out and been like, all right, you know, have fun catching me,
Back
and I'll
underneath
just
our
go.
London high pivot, guys.
But I didn't. So here we are. Knees weak,
So we
arms are
got
heavy.
a little cluster there, which is our New York afternoon high and our London high. If you guys trade kill zones, all our
Uh,
premium folks have that indicator.
I've had a lot of people ask me like, "Wow, when are you gonna be an analyst? Are you an analyst?" I do in chat. I'm always like, I'm looking for this entry. I'm looking for that
Yep.
BT. So I do give my highest confluence plays to the fam here.
Hmm.
But Ace knows, like, I'm a big family guy, and I'm running a couple businesses. Like,
You're
I just
busy.
can't. My life
Yeah.
is the mornings that I can pop in here.
He's an
I
entrepreneur
love
first,
it.
guys.
Yeah,
Trader fifth. There's so many things
literally.
in
Yeah.
between there.
Euro cooks him
I
a
don't
lot.
I don't I don't
Yeah.
pay my bills with trading. I do it because I enjoy it. I love the community.
Yeah.
Me and Ace have become really good friends, so it's just a way that we get to keep in touch. Because he
For
outside
real.
when he logs off here, he's the same way. He's crazy busy. He doesn't even answer my calls until like hours later. He's like, "What's up, bro?" Like, "Oh, I already forgot what I called you for like 3 hours ago." But now we'll be here. Where I go where Ace goes. JJ's all right
Hey,
too.
and you stuck
I
hella
just
true
All
to
right.
that.
All
I
right.
haven't known him as long, but he's all right. He's all right.
You stuck hella true to that. Everywhere I've gone, you followed.
Yeah, bro. It's because you're a real one. If I realized you were fake, I've been part of a bunch of different discords, and
Yep.
it doesn't take long to see through it. It's like, nah, this is not.
Oh,
Mhm.
yo, Euro was a part of that Discord I was telling you that was doing Earth 2 and like,
Oh, really?
yeah, yeah.
No way. I was in Earth too. Wait, were
Talking
you
about
in Earth
hands,
too?
Yep. Talking about hands.
the first Discord I ever joined.
Yep.
Wait, Euro, did you invest in Earth too?
No. Yeah, right, bro.
Oh,
You think
I
I'm
did.
some kind of dummy?
Hey, I printed, but I didn't
Until
sell.
you didn't.
Until I didn't sell.
No, I didn't. I'm like, I'm a little older. I'm really skeptical of a lot of stuff. I'm 38, so I'm
I
like,
get
I
it.
don't know. That's for young kids, and they haven't learned enough life lesson yet. But even in life, I try to manage my finances similar to my trades. I preserve capital. I'm very risk adverse. But if I
Mhm.
see an opportunity, it's always calculated. Like I do take risks, but they're calculated.
Mhm.
So Earth 2 for me was like it just didn't.
You
I
know,
don't
I
think it was
told
it.
the Earth 2 story before. I think my max investment was like 6K, and then my account hit 280K, and then it hit basically zero.
Guys, this is
This
so fat. Our ADR is sitting at 565 points.
Okay.
This chop has got me sitting
Yep.
on hands.
I'm still in
Let's
this
go.
long. I'm about to TP.
But when we
It's
find
pinning everyone.
when we find something, we'll take it. Like I said, even if the guy swings the bat, hits a 100, 200 point breakout and takes it, I'm honestly
Boom.
okay with
TP
that.
hit. Can we
There's a
continue?
750.
Yes, but I don't mind that take.
And the
Yeah.
650 entry would have been nice too.
And then just watch out for 788, guys. That is our weekly accumulation high. Other than that, we do have a few levels to look for. Here, I'll pull up this screen just so you guys can see. Here's the level indicator. But we do
Well, let
have
me
a
ask you.
virgin point
Go
of
ahead.
control. Sorry, what'd you say?
What do you think the strat is today? You think I swing the bat?
I think you
You think
trade
I end
exactly
play?
how you've been trading, and then obviously once it updates, you can kind of adjust and tailor your trading. So if he's up 3K, you know what
Start
I mean?
swinging. Yeah.
Obviously, you got to start swinging because it's not going to work with capital preservation. But if he's still down 2K or 1K, whatever it may be, you can just keep
That's-
doing your thing and stacking and compounding. That's personally what I would do
Yeah.
Yeah,
because
I
there's
like
no
that.
reason to try to beat yourself. Do you know what I mean?
It's true. I've seen people do that too.
Yeah.
Afro did it
Always
yesterday,
adjust
actually.
based off what he does.
And that
What?
guy swings even when he's up. Because I remember it was either
Yeah.
last round or the round before.
He was up
up
8 and then he went down all the way to 2.
Yeah.
That was yesterday with Spud. I was like,
Yeah.
bro, chill. Like, we need Spud
I know.
out.
Like you're up 8 already. Like, bro, just relax. You don't have to touch it at all.
Well, he probably felt the pressure to make sure he buries Spud so that everybody's prize money stays full, you know. So I get
Yeah,
it.
for
Like,
real.
I'm grateful to the guy just for that. Like,
No, for sure.
you know.
W Alpha made $500
And
daily
if anyone's
profit, baby.
chatting me up, I have everything. I only have 2 screens. It's minimized. I'm watching charts on one screen and
We
trade
do
how to
have our
trade a
orb
menu on the other.
established
There's
for our
that
orb traders.
beauty continuation. That's 80 points from my entry.
And we
Feels
have
good,
top of
Cole.
the range right there at 788 incoming.
Oh, incoming, man. Real for real for real.
Beautiful reversion
Testimonials.
to that monthly value area low into that deviation for our weekly for a nice bounce, guys. That is awesome.
Oh, is Adam G here? I just saw he passed his Lucid account this morning. W Adam.
W Adam.
Adam G.
And there it is, top of the range, 788 incoming.
Yeah, I'm looking at like
And tap.
794, 788.
Yep. So that has been mitigated. I keep mitigations regardless of the fact, but that is your nice weekly accumulation right there. So we'll see how that responds.
Pasta kills me. Read what Pasta said out loud.
Bro, you said you have to compound because you don't want to tap to your national reserves and start swinging the Decepticon trend lines. Truth serum. What the fuck did I just read?
Well, that's TA. That's analysis right there.
I love how Pasta legit does not trade, but he stays with us just to chill. Pasta, you're a real one, bro.
To answer your question, I think the tax is probably going to be around 30% on this.
That's fair. There's 100 being tapped, and we're breaking through that weekly accumulation. Beautiful trend is now establishing, and we are well above our.
But did I not say above 750? Printer? That's just mooning. No cap.
I don't even know what I was going to say anymore. But yeah. Moving very, very nicely.
I'm looking for an entry. I'm trying to target up to like 970, 930.
We are at our 382, testing this golden zone, guys, off of our orb deviations. Not too shabby of a move. Like I said, our ADR for today's session is through the roof. So, not surprised to be seeing this ridiculousness. I just deleted my indicator off of this.
I worry this move is super clean. Also around this area, like 830-ish, is definitely a rejection, potential rejection area. But past that, we can go like to 900, to be honest. I worry this move is super clean for the tourney.
Oh,
And
it is what it is,
that guy's in
man.
a
Like,
long. He's sprinting.
Aren't you long right now?
I
Or
was.
did
I
you
closed
flat
it
in?
at 7:20. I took it. I'm
There's that
looking
382 retest. What are you looking for, baby?
a re-entry. I want to see if we come back to like anywhere from like
788.
765 to like 745, anywhere in that
Mhm.
ballpark. If we can recapture over 760,
I
if we
think
come
she
down,
can
test
keep
it, and
going.
recapture. I think so too, but
Yeah.
I mean, you
I think
never
she can
know, you
keep
know.
running. That
Would you enter?
momentum's pretty ridiculous. I'd
Uh-huh.
probably size down entry, to be honest. It's not horrible, but it does have a lot of room to retrace. So I'm leaving decent size to make
30.
sure that I can hold through a drawdown on I obviously
Mars
freaking
printing. Is Mar
sized
printing?
too much by accident. I'm just gonna flatten there, two of them,
Oh shit!
and
Amar hit
then
100
two I'm
percenter.
holding.
W
Beauty
Amar,
Amar.
100 percenter for the sack. Beauty.
Yeah, I'm leaving a lot of room for drawdown, just because I entered in with only two micronials. Playing with a negative R here.
If we hold this 850, I'm expecting 925, and if we break that, we're gonna hit 30K. I'm calling it right now. Calling the potentials.
Again, not financial advice, guys.
I'm
Yeah,
not a financial advisor, but who took
okay.
my
I'm
long?
okay with that.
I'm not a financial advisor, but who took my
There's a
long?
little bit of a
50
retrace
points.
that I wanted.
All right, put some on there.
That is not a bad retrace. Might have to size in soon. If we can get down to 800 to 788, that would be my levels. And then, honestly, I could quick invalidate below 770 to 743 and get a re-entry if it deems valid again. But as of right now, that's what I'm looking at. And there we go to that 800, just shy of. Looking for a tap in. We can fully get there. There's 800. Singular add. Needs to be able to hold. Dropping down time frame. And 788 is going to kind of be that last leg for me to 770. Otherwise, previous day high, which is pretty deep, that will be my room for reentry.
Should I continue my good mornings?
Do it.
Start it over.
I agree. You got to start it over.
Okay, but you gotta let me
There's
finish.
788 being tested.
You gotta let me finish though.
Do it.
All right, ready? Good morning, Adam G. Good morning, Ergonomic. Good morning, Lady Wolf. Good morning, Huncho. Good morning, Aces Big Wad. Good morning, Flakis. Good morning, Mama. Good morning, Fishettes. Good morning, Favos. Good morning, Turtle. Good morning, Trader. Good morning, J-Train. Good morning, Kamara. Good morning, Eyebrow. Good morning, Seafood. Good morning, Jiffy. Good morning, King Caps. Good morning, Pasta. Good morning, Nick. Good morning, Zonk. Good morning, Hi. Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, VDV. Good morning, User. Good morning, Kimia. Good morning, Shanty. Good morning, Taylor. Good morning, M-Dog. Good morning, Toasty. Good morning, Flex. Good morning, Eddie. Good morning, Melly. Good morning, B-Man. Good morning, Alvin. Good morning, TJD. Good morning, M-Jar. Good morning, K Drizzle. Good morning, Sportsman. Good morning, Not Available. Good morning, Alpha. Good morning, One. Good morning, Butters. Good morning, Shazi. Good morning, Av. Good morning, Los. Good morning, One Way. Good morning, Party. Good morning, Warren. Good morning, Kenish. Good morning, Zulu. Good morning, Mdos. Good morning, Underwater. Good morning, Colton. Good morning, Kels. Good morning, Fastwatch. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, A. Good morning, C-Tay. Good morning, Santi. Good morning, Hoopy. Good morning, Buffett. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Rams.
UT.
I had a little stumble. I thought I was gonna do a one and done through that whole thing. I'm a rapper.
Hey, I will say this morning, JJ, when you're calling out, you're like, "Good morning, good morning, Euro." I was like, oh, okay, I see that. I felt it. Made me smile. Appreciate it.
Nice bounce off of that 788. Still needs to hold 800 or for full validity, but we will see. Honestly, I could definitely see a lot of these upper targets getting tapped through today. But it is a no news Tuesday, so we'll take it as it is. I have my SL in right now, guys. Again, lighter position, but it is at 742.
742.
742. It should be a little deeper, I'm gonna be honest.
It's looking like 38.
Clear SL.
Yeah, like 21, 20, 21.
We're gonna get my magical 65.
But I also don't mind just clean exiting it around that 70 or 60 mark and then re-entering off of previous day high to that 720-ish level. Pulling back here. And a lot of our stacked clusters, guys, was around that 720 that we were talking about initially. And that's where, close to where John entered. Might be getting tapped out here soon. I might manually do it.
What do you have your SL?
Right now it's at 742 because I don't want to go deeper because I can always get a re-entry.
Mm-hmm. I like 42.
I like you.
Oh,
Testing
appreciate it.
788 on the upper side. Again, if it fails, that kind of gives you more validity for invalidation. And I really need a pee. Holy shit. So about to get tapped out. Let's see.
If we get that 750 bounce,
Previous day highs at 42.
yeah, it could literally
wait.
bounce off 42.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. I auto drag that after seeing previous day literally at 72 as well. I got tapped regardless. But if that reclaims, I will be back in really quick.
Mm-hmm.
So currently down 594. Again, you got to size appropriately to align with a lot of that. And 718 to 700, that's beautiful entry for a retarget. But I'm waiting. I'd love a full reclaim of our previous day high. Stay above that pivot. Testing.
And I wonder.
And I wonder.
Yo, for all the people, the collective people, how was yesterday? Obviously, without saying too much, just like a general, how was it? Couple. The goats in the collective.
720. 720 just got tapped, and 700 is getting tapped. We are below our open print at 737 and testing that cluster, which is our London high, New York afternoon high, value area high for our weekly, and previous day value area high as well. So as that reclaim 720, pretty nice. And
Did
then
that bounce off 700? If
Yep.
we can reclaim 750.
That's
Be
what
good.
I'm saying.
Have a half page of scribbles already. Yo, W. Putting that in. Putting that in, no cap, man. Kind of feeling a riskier long potentially, based on this close.
I broke my screen.
What?
Look at this.
Oh,
It's only on that one though. We're doing a
I
lot of
understand.
testing, guys, for y'all. And I broke it. Who's put that there?
Who put that there?
Who put that there? 700 right there again. Pretty clean, to be honest.
I want to see above 28. 28.30.
36 above our open print.
Oh. Oh.
Decent slide. Putting us underneath our previous day value area high now, guys. So we are inside of previous day range and our weekly range.
JJ, how you like the long? I like to see if we actually get a full reclaim, especially with today's volatility.
Yeah. Massive.
We definitely could potentially bounce from here, but I'd rather wait for confirmation.
We're 42 points on the 3 minutes, guys, of average true range.
Yeah, we're basically 40 on the 2 minute also.
And I wonder.
If you we got 69 people in the audience. W number. Eric, you think you're funny, huh?
What was I doing?
You're about to hit the
Enter?
nene, I think.
Is that what I was gonna do? I was gonna enter. Definitely not what I was gonna do. I legit forgot what I was actually gonna do. On some real.
I like how that was the assumption.
Was entering,
Yeah,
and
your
then I actually
ADHD hit. You're
smacked
like,
it.
I think I was gonna be in a trade.
No, I actually can't remember. I was gonna do something and I completely spaced. Um, that's not a real entry, by the way, guys. We're looking for clean holds of 737, which would be our opening print, and our previous day high is literally sitting at 43. So we'd need to be stacked above both of those for full validity. Early entries, sure. We're looking at a hold of that cluster from 89 to 92, which it just got a test of. We also have that deviation sitting at 76, which it just wants to go test right now. And then otherwise, if we slide underneath the low of day, which sits at 633, you do have your Asia high sitting at 29,593, London low sitting at 566. So few stack levels to the downside here. So not too shabby. If we can stay underneath 700, it would look pretty nice because now we're in yesterday's range. There's 650.
That's why you wait for some confirmations.
I need pee.
You gonna go pee? Holy moly. Look at that nice little dumpy. Gotta wait on it. News at 10. Cap. What is it? Yellow folder? I don't see no news that matters, man. Am I missing? Am I missing something? Not available? What's the news? Oh my god, he's pranking me. This guy's trying to trick me. You can't trick me. No, there was something. It's home thing? Alright. Alright. I'm getting pranked. I don't like it. Good chat. Who's done for the day? I'm curious. Anybody printed and is already done? Zulu, I'm done. Kels, I might be user. I made 350. Alright.
Any closes above 700? Let's watch 720.
That was a nice sweep. Like a full
Yep.
reclaim and flip bullish after that. Would actually
Same
look
levels, guys, as that open. Monthly value area low. Going to retest our value area high. So monthly to our shorter time frames. Nice, beautiful wick. Nice little sucky right there, huh?
Sucky. Taki. Come on, user. Look at this guy. He says, I made 350. Got back in. Probably going to give it all back. Yep, lost 80. Got stopped. All right.
It needs to stay above 700.
It's like a short story.
There we go.
What? Oh my god. I understand.
There we go. Let's see if it can get the hold. If not, again, the earlier entry told you guys what full confirmation is looking like above previous day high open print. So if you guys want to target that, you guys definitely can. Again, full validation would be a hold of those levels. And I am still lighter position. But I will get into a full set of 10 if we do get a crack. And I wonder how it feels.
How it feels?
I always say how it feels. You asked that yesterday.
No,
Oh,
you always say Fuck, what is it? You always say looking at me.
Because why are you always looking at me?
Looking at
Yeah,
me.
really needs to hold open print and previous day high. Otherwise, guys, these tests are gonna cook you.
Not available and doesn't know the sauce.
What is that? That was only 15.
Isn't that funny?
Hmm.
Look what not available said. But don't like
Oh my god, Ace, why is your SL 78 and profit 46? That's like ultra negative R.
interesting.
Interesting. If only you were in the collective.
Collective, that's interesting, isn't it? 19-year-old single? Come on. Not available. Who you trying to riz up in here?
Those
Huh?
lows. There we go, back down, guys. Like I said, really needs to hold those upper levels. Otherwise, you're going to keep getting that test from a monthly to our previous day and weekly. Let me just pull up this chart. I feel like that would help
Short
you
at
guys more.
700 could be super valid. Not gonna lie.
Yep.
Not gonna lie.
Below that 650. 642, sorry. 642 could get juicy with a hold under it. Our prior close was pretty juicy. Held above our 1 minute.
Bing, 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 bong.
See, test in here, 650. Boom, put the doom, put the doom, put the doom.
I have potential shorts based on this close.
I
But
only get one at 42.
I don't like it too much. Took half off. Got a nice little scalpy.
Above 680.
I mean, with this movement, it's like a little more than a scalp.
Wow. That's what I was looking for. Above 680, beautiful suck. And it just needs to hold that. If we can get that close, I'm definitely sizing in.
Beautiful what?
Beautiful. What?
What do you say? Oh, 6, 7 people in the audience. You know what that means, chat.
Eat their ass.
What? Who put that there? Stupid ass officials. Go Knicks.
There's 700 again. Again, needs to hold.
Oh, that's a good question. Yo, chat, who you got in the finals? Knicks or Spurs?
Did you see what Vanquish is doing
let's-
if Knicks win?
Yeah, I did. Let's see. Let's get some chaos in the chat. Get people to start talking shit to each other. Knicks all day. Knicks. I know nothing about basketball. I just want the flash sale. Spurs. What's up, Heisenberg? What you cooking?
What you cooking?
Wow, is it Buffett versus the world? Like everybody's Knicks except for Buffett?
No, Euro's going for
Come on, you're
Spurs.
user. Come on. Oh yeah, Euro. That's true. Wemby about to go off. I can't lie. I'm Team Spurs. I can't even cap. I just want to see Wemby go crazy. Like all you Knicks fans. Like, well, actually, I feel like it depends if you're a team person or a player person.
Didn't Wemby skip his press?
I have no idea. He
He
was
was
too
pressed.
pressed for the press.
He did a couple games ago, but he did last night's.
Are you a player guy or a team guy?
Me?
And you too.
Team, baby. It's always about the team.
I mean, I guess.
One
team
guy
guy when
can't
it's my
win the whole
team.
thing.
I mean, that's true. I'm a player person too. Like I want to see
That-
Wemby do
if that
things.
tags below 743, like I said, we'll be looking for a massive reversal. Not reversal, continuation. Sorry, to the downside.
Continuations.
Continuation? Wow. He's done that how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Who
Count
put
it.
that there?
Still holding 650, man. Shit.
Mm,
Shit.
mm, mm,
We're
mm.
ranging. We are ranging, ladies and gents. We are ranging.
Wasn't it Kobe that said no I in team? Was he the originator?
Yeah, but there isn't me.
Bars. Absolute bars. Well, here's a good question, chat. NBA, who's the all-time GOAT?
Oh, we don't want to get into that. We don't want to
Who's the
get
GOAT?
into that. The last time
Well, here we
I was
go.
at my cousin's, we got into full arguments with everyone there
Here we
about
go. We got MJ,
the
Braun,
GOAT.
Mamba, Pau Gasol, production strolling, Shaq, LeBron, Jordan, MJ, Jordan. No one over like MJ, Jordan, LeBron. I'm not gonna lie. I saw a clip the other day comparing MJ and LeBron. Bro, MJ's the GOAT. But I always thought MJ was the GOAT, so nothing really changed. Yeah, even in music, you got Michael Jackson. The letters MJ is just GOAT status.
That was a nice fail, guys, of those upper ranges. So still needs to close below our monthly value area low.
Let me guess, you're green.
But we are chopping up a storm right now, guys. We are chopping up a storm.
Mm-hmm.
Did you just laugh at user for saying that he's
Yeah.
account blown? I
It's
just
'cause
saw that.
Before he said, "Guess what?" I said, "What?" He said he lost money, and now he said, "Guess what?" I thought he was gonna flip it back, and then he just said, "No, account blown."
He's like, I got ya. There we go, guys. We are below that monthly value area low. We're looking for a close here. Just closed on a 1 minute. On a 3, it's almost there. And I want to target new lows. But I would be careful for any quick reversions. But as of right now, really liking the shorts.
Fantastic.
20 points right there. Super quick.
I think we're gonna take out London lows.
There we go. Trying to
565.
sweep down right now. And it's cooking under. It just needed to crack that monthly value area low, head into these lower levels. There's already 50 points. And I'm going to start to trim off, reduce a lot of this risk now, and hold on to this lighter position with an SL in profit now. There we go. Continuation. Currently up 53 points there. And going to take one more off. If we can crack there, I will be adding in. But as of that, there's a decent target.
Don't say something about crack. What?
Yeah, we have our average weekly range high sitting at 515. So 515 to 500 is definitely what I'm looking for.
You say 500?
500 to 515.
Oh, we took out London lows at 65. Yeah, we got room. We got room even lower. We can go like 480, but 500 just as a psych level. I agree. It's fantastical.
80.
Boop, boop, boop. Go to 2000. I am done.
What is
Chat, should we run a poll? I'm doing it. I'm doing it. The transparency poll. What Prophub represents. Here we go. Here we go. What are we at? Everyone answer the poll.
nice test? As long as we can stay below 567. 567. It's going to be our London lows. Yep, there it goes. Dun, dun, dun.
Good morning, David. What's up?
Good morning, baby. Gee. Holding on that 550. If it continues, again, I told you guys my levels 515. I'll be watching to 500. But if you're looking for a closer target, it's going to be 526. Target a massive
Mhm.
pop down. Nice catch.
Beauty.
Beautiful
Absolutely
catch
beauty.
on that.
I should have called it a day with 500 profit and not get greedy.
There we go. 515 just got tapped through. That is 100 points, guys. I'm still looking to continue. So only down now $313 after
Absolutely
a couple of
beautiful.
those losses. There's 500, and you know what? I'm gonna clean close. I don't care for stat packing just to show you guys like, hey, here's 5,000 points. Like, I don't care. Let me take my profit. How about that?
Good shit, Ace.
If we can get underneath 947, I would be careful because you do have our weekly anchored VWAP sitting at 478, which would be my next target if we can hold 500. And then under there, we do have daily accumulation sitting at 455.
You know, not to brag, but if you check the VOD, what did I say about 850? And what's the high? 847? Shit. Shit, man. I had a 70-point SL because it was 1 micro. Yeah, that's the thing about sizing. If you size properly, it's a lot easier to be correct because you have way more drawdown. So it's either you're like right or extremely wrong. And it's harder to be extremely wrong than to just get tapped out.
You just described this cup. You're either right or you're extremely wrong. Did you guys see my guy 2 rounds
There's our
ago
weekly anchored.
deleted the
2
entire
rounds ago?
50K?
Oh yeah,
that was
yeah.
insane.
He ended negative.
Yeah. I
Actually crazy.
literally I didn't think that'd ever be possible
I didn't even think that was
on
possible. Yeah, for real.
on one mini.
There was that
Limited
480,
to
by the way.
limited to one
I would
mini.
hate to be a bottom ticker, but if we can hold 500, honestly, I could
I'm
see a
looking at a
reversion.
462.
462.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean that's pretty juicy. I have for a bounce.
Yeah.
You're a reversal trader.
I have like 36
Kind
to
of.
50
Sometimes.
reversal.
78. That is my weekly anchored right there, literally right where we are testing. Let me show you guys this chart once again. So we're
Well,
testing
bro,
it right now,
she
and
could
we need to be at 455 to 29,450 for next targets. So pretty juicy slide right there with a hold underneath. Like I said, I'm not looking to stat pack. I could have easily held a singular micro and kept it at break even.
462. Do we tap?
That did 460. Yep,
Let's see how we hold
462
this
got tapped.
range. Let's see how we hold.
There is daily range right there. So
Holy.
next target just got hit. If you guys were still in, that is 160 points now.
Guess what? Amar is about to hit another 100%er. He's almost
Banger.
at 100% on his next play. Damn, SAC people are printing. W options. WMR.
Yeah. Honestly, I might get in with you, Danny, here. Because I actually really do like that. And then SL would have to be. I hate being bottom tickers, guys, but
I'm looking at like
Hey,
412.
W Colton. Just passed an account.
W Colton. Yeah, that's sliding pretty quick.
Like he says, Ace, what do you think about trying longs at 438?
438. I don't have anything around 438. It would need to be a hold of 455. I got in really quick, testing those levels, but man, this thing is just absolute slideshow with 200 points from that initial entry to try to take a reversion. Like I said, I hate being a bottom ticker, but that thing just has absolute momentum to the downside. So I would just be careful of trying to catch bounces. There's 400.
WMR.
And I got 2 stacked levels here. Next one being at 372.
Man, what a sell off.
Yep.
But this shit could low-key go to 300 if it really wants to. Especially if you break that 370.
Oh. I'm going to try again a bottom tick one last time. Just having fun, guys. I could easily be wrong.
Those cons went from 88 to 204. Yeah, Amar's cooking.
WMR.
First past account since the top one payout. Shout out P Hub as usual. Time to lock back in. W Colton.
Yep. Like I said, this slide is just slidey.
For real.
This is why, guys, you don't be a bottom ticker and try to catch every single reversal, especially on strong trends.
User, he got out at 150%. If only I didn't blow my account. Bro, yeah, Amar, we saw. You've been cooking today. I know the options people are happy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you just remind me. I haven't been on Vanquish today.
Yeah.
Why
Is your
not?
low coming up? That's what I'm looking at, Zulu. We do got to break the 70, though.
What a fat range for today. Holy sharp buckets.
Yeah. Pretty massive. What did he say?
He said, and he wonders what it feels.
W. David. Well, shit, man. I hope you get in the money. You know what I'm saying? And I wonder. Holy bro, we stayed in office so late yesterday. Chat.
15 hours.
We left at like 10. Actually, it was later than 10. It was like 10:30, wasn't it?
Mhm.
No, it was
Something
like
like
10.
that. I don't know.
It was late as
There's
fuck.
400
basically.
again getting tested. I want it so bad. I really don't need it. Yeah, tap myself out there. And I wonder.
There you go, Alpha. Good shit. You love to see it. What time is it? 10:20. I wonder if
What
you
it's
know.
like. What it's like. How you feel.
Production. It's a lot. Oh, there's brackets. I'm dumb. Oh shit. Okay. Shit, Alpha. My bad. Were you tried catching the reversal?
And I wonder. Yeah, the reversals ain't happening right now, guys. Don't fight this trend right now.
Bro, NQ's been like that lately. It just like chooses a direction and just rips through levels. Alpha, why would you size like that?
And I wonder.
They said early on about the ATR being wide, so that translates to size down for anybody that's new.
But our 2-minute is at 55.
Yeah, that means like if you're doing your funded or cash or whatever, even options, like size down. We want to go far, not quick.
Yeah, Alpha, that's only 5 micros, but what do you usually do? Because like on a usual, like a regularly volatile day, we're like almost triple volatility. So if you usually do 5 micros, then you definitely 15? Alright, I understand. It's okay. Then you just hit a loss. It is what it is. Oh, by the way, did anyone actually check the link for the website that I put? Anyone check that? Thought it was pretty tough. I'll put it in again for anyone who wants to check it.
Anyone that want to check it.
For anyone that want to check that shit, man, see. And I wonder if you know that I'm green. That I'm green. Honestly, I'm not
Now we're
bullish
finally
until
back. Oh.
above like 480.
I got 440, which is our true day open.
Where do you got your weekly POC?
My weekly POC?
Mm-hmm.
She's hiding from me.
Because for me, it's at 36, and my previous day's at 48. And then my weekly anchored is at 77. Oh shit, I forgot to fix that.
I don't even know if Gator's rendering it properly right
Let me fix that right now.
now. I couldn't tell you. I'm logging into my TOF, guys. There's that bounce I was looking for. Foot. There we
Type
are.
shit,
We are
toasty.
back above our day open, which is what I was looking for.
Retest 600 and head lower. Damn, 600 is like up there, bro.
Bruh, with the fit.
Like if you think we're gonna retest 600, shit. Y'all don't got a bot. I do manual. I mean, it's like literally the same shit. You gotta type anyway. What it means. What it means. And I wonder
Go.
if you know
Whoa, whoa,
what it
whoa.
means.
Ace, what are you doing?
Because I might not want to alert like literally every single thing. You know what I mean? Everything about that.
Yes, there's quant, but there's also discretion, guys.
W was.
There we go. That's 100 right there. Sorry, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys new screen. So pop that TPT eval. Obviously having a lot of fun. Like I said, a lot of those trades were pee pee poo poo, but was still entering.
Mm-hmm. This set is dope though. You can see all the discounts easily. Tradeify 40%, Lucid 50%, Apex 90, Top 1 50%, Alpha 25%, Take Profit 30, Trade Day 50, Vanquish 35. Banger.
Banger.
So glad I locked out last night after PDPT. This is the type of setting I'd be tilting in. One of those days. Here's the 500 retest.
Yeah, I PDPT'd on my
Fuck.
Tradeify and on my Lucid last night during class with the collective. Wow, what a pop. What a pop. What a pop. Guys, by the way, top one is still doing their buy one, get one for the elite access, which is basically like Apex. So and you can copy trade 10 accounts. So with $39, you can get 2 accounts. Yes, there is an activation fee, just like old Apex, because I know that they do no activation now as well. But for 2 accounts, $39. Pretty banger.
What? Bruh.
4, 8, 2.
Yes, user. What's up, my brother? No. Market's still open. We're locked in. I'm not trying to blow 8 bands like you did during chess. What do you think this is?
Wow.
Yeah, I'm not trying to trade at 3 p.m. What do you also think this is? Think all I do is trade all day? We're running a business.
5, 5, 20.
These bars are intense for real.
Why?
Our 2 minutes is at 58.
So I'm watching. There's 500. Does it hold is the question.
I don't know. We'll see. We will see. For me, like a high conviction would be above 550. Sure. For sure.
Nice reclaim above our weekly anchored, which is sitting at 477. Testing under.
Ooh. Ooh. Man, when you get to the point where you're just chilling, trading's nice.
Trading's so nice. When you're chilling, trading is nice.
Hit my
When you're not
trade in the
chilling,
morning. Hit my trade in the morning and just chill, bro.
That's
I
the
know.
best
I mean,
way
I
to do
can't
it.
wait for your update.
The
I wanna see
prize
the
money
update.
is nice. Like, don't get me wrong. Everyone's like, "Oh, bro, you made so much. You made so much." Like, dude, you don't know how many sleepless nights I've had in the last 10 days. I'm like wrecked, dude. Because I don't know if I mentioned here, but when you trade a funded, you're like, take a lock. You don't like the PA. It's like, lock it out. I'll just come back tomorrow. But with this, there's like it's on a timer. You know,
You
you're
just said,
forced to sit here.
I'll stay up 10 days straight for 200K.
Well, bro, it started at $100. Like,
That's
who
true.
thinks that out of 1,000 people, they're like, oh, I'm going to the finals? Like, dude, you don't know. And then even like halfway through, people are like, oh, you're versing this guy. Oh, he's a goat. Like, total David and Goliath type scenarios, and and then you got all that pressure. And it's like, do what I can.
Yeah,
Some of it's
and you
fun,
thought you were out. Remember? You thought you were out because you were
I'm
like
gonna
1,001.
post that too. If I win, even if I get second, I have that screenshot.
Post it only when you
998.
get the money.
And I'll be like, hey guys, don't ever count yourself out. I qualified dead last. Just show up. Hey, so what do you think?
That's
We dropped
crazy.
this
From
low?
dead last to
Pardon?
finals.
You think we dropped this low?
I
just
think
asking
we're
for
kind of at that
reasons.
point now. We're at that point now where we can see the bounces, especially since we just tested previous day value area low. Like that ADR is almost completely ate up. If it does continue to slide, it still has 100 and almost 200 points. So
what are you looking
it has
at? Below
room.
380. You're looking 280. I like that. 280, 307. 307, I think, is the low from the Asia. 310.
Asia lows 303.5. Yeah.
303. Yeah. 3. I like that. I like that 280.
What it feels.
I have the bottom of
It's
one of my
It's
ranges
been an
at 304.
experience.
Honestly, like a 300 bounce, like 280 to 300. A lot of potential.
Bounce it.
Yeah, but don't get
Bounce
caught
it.
like Friday, bro. I think there was a lot of people
For
looking
real.
for a bounce, and like my boy,
It just never happened.
50K on a mini. Like, I was both shocked and impressed.
Yeah, that guy that lost 50K definitely was looking for a bounce.
He was looking for something, and I don't blame him. Like, we get the full 50K drawdown, so you saw a lot of people drew down that day. I think I think it was 8 people. I think almost all of them drew down over 25K. I think 6 out of 8 were over 25K. I was like positive 200, and I don't recall the other one. It might have been Afro was positive like
Afro was positive thousands.
on that day.
Yeah.
On Friday.
Mm.
There's only two out of.
It was only you and him that were green.
How fitting that we're both here today.
Yep.
So if anyone's listening, and you don't think
It's
about
supposed to show
capital
you guys were about
preservation,
freaking that. I was just about to say you guys were obviously about capital preservation, whereas everyone else was just about catching every single move possible, which is it just ain't it clear.
But that proves that capital preservation is how to actually be profitable.
Oh, okay. Just say the same thing we just said.
No,
Yeah, in a
sorry, but I
different
think
way.
I
Would you
delivered
chat
it.
GPT
I think I
that?
delivered it better. I feel like my delivery was like a little better. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because you ran it through AI. No, but it is like I think it's an important aspect of trading that a lot of people don't consider. They only
Yeah.
think about how much do I need to make, how much, what's my goal today, like how much do I need to make
Mhm.
this week. It's like, and you know, from years ago, Ace, I was like, guys, live to trade another day. Like you can't trade if you're broke.
Yep.
Yeah.
So some days, like just preserve your capital, walk away, like lock in your L, and it's fine, you know.
I mean, the proof in
And
that,
then
if you look at most people's calendars when they blow accounts, it's always one day that wipes out like all their profits. Like it's like plus
oh,
200, plus
I'm guilty
300,
of
plus
that too.
400, minus 3K. And yeah, I've done that too. That's
Everybody's
what
done
kills
it.
it.
It's a part of the experience. It's the ones who continually grow take a step back, look at it, and be like, okay, let's fix this. This is obviously a
I'll show
major
you
issue.
an experience.
But we hit 61 ATR on the 2-minute. That's ridiculous.
Yeah, she volatile today for no news. Kind
For
of
real.
wicked.
And the news is like pretty wild. CPI and PPI back to back.
Tomorrow.
But we'll see. I do have a CE right here at 25. If we hold that, break 500, could go to 550. Get a nice flip to long bias potentials.
I think that's what we're all kind of waiting for right now.
And I wonder, are you
I
still
mean,
fasting?
are you guys with me hoping that he like took a long and just held it?
Yesterday, don't you remember?
Is anyone else
I
like
hope it.
this?
I hope it refreshes, and I think I said this before stream. I was like, I hope it refreshes, and he's just at 30K, and it's like, yay!
Hey, if anyone could bounce back, it would be
It would be him.
Afro.
That's true.
He's phenomenal, guys. Like, I know everyone talks a lot of shit about the competitors, and you know, it's all in good
Nah,
sport, I
You
suppose.
got to
But
give them their flowers if they've made it this far.
since the top 8, I told all of them, I'm like, dude, you guys made it this far. Like, either you're incredibly lucky or you
Yeah.
have like a
I
little, at least a
saw,
little bit of talent.
Mhm.
I saw G Trades literally yesterday inside a chat with you, and he was just saying like, man, if you made it this far, you were 99.7% of the people out of the 65,000 and all of that, and you're like, do me, and it's like 99.9999999.
The odds of making it that far to 65,000 like 0.000063%.
Yeah,
He was a real one. We chatted like early on in the morning, like went back and forth in the Tradeify cup chat, and he seemed like a chill dude.
yeah. I've been seeing him in there like every single day too.
Do you
Just
know he
chatting
lives
it
in
up
San
with
Antonio?
people. Oh, does he?
Ooh.
You guys should do a
Yeah.
link up.
I told him, I'm like, bro, I got dinner, bro. I'll take you out somewhere nice.
You guys both printed. Go hit the Spurs game. Hit game 4.
Well, dude, I told you, I'm not cheap. I'm frugal.
Mm.
Like I'll pay for
Hey,
stuff. Ace knows. I
you're
like
talking
coffee,
to the
bro.
guy.
I went and threw down some big boy money on an espresso machine. So I buy things that I think are valuable, that I get value from.
Mhm.
Because some
So
people are just cheap.
if the Spurs make it, if it's like game 7, would you go?
No.
Oh, okay. Because I know a lot of people who are like very practical in their money spending, but when it comes to like a team, they'll drop 10K to watch their team win.
No, that's not me.
That's-
You guys know, maybe not. I'm not big on sports actually. I got into the
Yeah.
Spurs final because I used to live in Portland. I spent most of my life in Portland actually. So when it was Spurs Blazers, I was like, dude, I have to watch all these games. This is crazy. Like it's fate.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So I watched those, and the Spurs moved on. Since I live here, I'm like, all right. So then I watched them with the Timberwolves. Then I watched them with OKC. Now I'm invested. You know, I'm like, all right, if we made it this far, I got to keep watching. And of
Yeah.
course, Amar is in New York, so I got to text him every single day that he sucks. But he told me he's a Heat fan, so he's just rooting for New York because he lives there. You know? So I got kind of dragged into it.
Mhm.
That's cool though. I can see why people like
Wow.
sports.
Yeah. Well, there's a nice little pump. Back above weekly anchored.
Chip, chip, chipperoo. Well, I say chop. That's a 100-point chop.
Yeah,
Yeah.
We're just chopping,
that's a dangerous
guys.
chop.
There's nothing here. It's chopping within a 90-point range.
Yeah, it's a fat ass range. If you guys are not using micros, then
Later, David.
y'all are goofing yourself.
Yeah, user's using micros. He's just using 50 of them.
Hey, no problem. Less is more, right?
No, I did 15 minis. All right.
All right.
Mm.
We were trying to save you, boy.
Not
But I do
available
have
is not
this.
the degen today.
I'm skeptical too. I'm like, bro, if I take this guy out to dinner, he's gonna put me up at gunpoint and force me to go to the bank. So I already
And he
thought
just
it through.
teach me your
He-
strat.
he
I
got a
already
good
Teach me
thought
amount
it
as
through.
well.
I'll probably bring my 2 brothers. We can bring some extra muscle. Nah,
I think
he was
okay.
pretty cool though.
Yeah.
Damn, this really is some
Chop City.
dookie PA.
It really is some chop city.
Chap City beat. Chap City beat.
Look at this. Man, what's the official term for it? Amar uses triangle. It's a wedge, right? Pendant.
Yeah.
I forget. Pendant. Is that a triangle?
Yeah.
I am gonna pop into the classes though. I'm really excited for it.
Dope.
I don't mind missing. What was the first? Was it like intro, or did you guys dive right in?
It was literally just welcome and onboarding. Just giving them the
Good,
rundown of
good.
what everything is gonna look like, structure.
Where's
all that
is the schedule posted? Is it daily, weekly? What are you guys doing?
It's gonna be every Monday. So the schedule as of right now is Sunday, Mondays, and Wednesdays. I believe we all landed on, but it's obviously up in the air with some of the classes just because of Daisy and whatnot.
Yeah, I was gonna say you got the baby coming. By the way, congratulations again.
Thank you.
It's exciting, man.
It is exciting.
That's dope.
The best,
Really dope.
honestly, the
Wow.
best part of this whole competition is coming home and telling my kid, like, dude, I beat my competitor. And he's 8. He gets so excited. He's like, let's go. He doesn't
But hey, he's a
know.
competitor on his own. He's an
He
absolute
is.
swimming
Yeah.
beast.
Yeah, he's an absolute monster in the water. He destroys his
Oh, I used to be
competition.
a swim guy.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
my
have
kid,
my what's it called? My lifeguard thingy.
bro,
Lifeguard thingy.
You know what's funny though? When I was
certification.
younger, yeah, when I was younger, like, I don't know, 12, 13 or whatever, my swim school wanted me to start, they wanted to start training me to potentially compete in the Olympics. And then, like, I'm 12, so I got nervous and I was scared to say yes. So I said no. And then, like, years later, I remembered and I asked my parents, I'm like, why didn't you just force me to do it? And they're like, but you said you didn't want to do it. I'm like, I'm 12. Just tell me, no, you have to do it.
I didn't want to eat vegetables either.
Like, for real.
Holy suck up in 2 seconds.
No, he's a really competitive swimmer. He used to say all the time, I want to compete in the Olympics, but now he's like, I just love swimming. I just want to,
I just love swimming.
like, yeah, he wants to like do the best he can. But he makes they have like, they're called motivational time. He's already on the chart. And that's for like, they have a group 10 and under. Most of the kids at 10 years old, like, if they're good at swimming, kind of like maybe make the time, and he's 8 and he's already on it.
That's
Like,
dope.
he's probably like bottom third, because there's like 5 categories. I think he's like in the second column from the last or third. For some of the
dope.
strokes. So yeah, he had a swim meet Saturday. He took first pretty much in everything except backstroke's his worst event. So he lost it by a quarter of a second. But it's to his friend. He has a friend who's a beast too, and so they push each other a lot.
No, that's dope.
Except his friend is like 4 inches taller and like maybe 30 pounds heavier.
Did you just call a
Well,
kid a tubby? That's crazy.
no, he's got like a football build. You ever see these kids? They're just like broad-shouldered, like all the way through their
Yeah,
thighs and calves. They're just like they're not. He's not fat. He's just like
yeah.
way more
He's
muscle
on the
mass than my
thicker.
kid.
Yeah.
My kid's
Bigger.
just like a beanpole, dude. He's so skinny.
Well, it's because you're nice and lean as well.
Yeah, he probably got my metabolism.
Still testing 400 and chopping away, guys.
Chop, chop, chop.
Chop, chop,
I'm
chop,
just
chop,
waiting.
chop,
I hit
chop,
that
chop, chop.
hit that one long. I'm up like 840 basically on the day. I've been sitting doing jack shit the whole time since then. Buffett. Yo, wait, Buffett was tubby? He said I was tubby.
Bro, he was so big.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
He was one of those people because me and his brother are what 3
Clean up
and
right
4
now.
years older than him,
We
Mhm.
sweeping those.
right? So every time we would eat, he would get upset that his portion never matched ours. So we always had to give him the same exact amount, even though we were way older and way bigger, like going through
Mm.
puberty. So this guy was like a
So he was
5-year-old with like
so
5 plates of food.
he was eating in a surplus his whole life, basically.
Yeah. This guy was in a surplus until he was freaking, I don't know, like 18, and then he realized, like, yo, you know what? I actually don't need to eat this much.
That's actually so funny. He's like 5 years old eating 3,000 cows.
And then he got ridiculously lean. Guys, that's a nice short continuation again. Holy smokes.
I said that
And
280
Asia
to
low right
300.
there at 303. That was a
Mhm.
100-point slide.
You we put it?
Beauty.
All right, I'm all out. I had some shorties on. I don't want to say my
Nice.
balance because this is a
I took
free
that
public
bounce from
server.
400 to 500. And then after that 500 got rejected, took that short. But
Damn. Amar's sack is up 230%.
let's fucking go.
Printed.
Let's fucking
Jay.
go, Mark, please.
I went to Milwaukee High School. I was there from 88 through 2015. Maybe
it's
did
only
I
been
might
like 2
know
weeks.
Jay?
Yeah, for
Who
real.
knows?
All the people who are non-financial advice, quote unquote,
hear-
watching the sack, more than double the account. W.
Was that whole 300?
Oh, Jay's. I think he's older than me. I think when did I graduate?
Sliding.
When did you print 3K?
I just said
I think I
bro,
graduated.
bro
in
does not
5.
listen to
Sorry,
us,
I'm
guys. He does not listen. This guy is actually the worst listener I've ever seen in my life.
That's cap. I'm a good listener when I listen.
Oh, you going?
Do you guys know how many times I have to repeat myself to JJ?
Okay, that
Hey,
sounds
you're
worse
wild, bro.
than it is.
I have to repeat myself a bajillion
Dude,
times.
when I'm like working on the website and I'm typing a bunch of shit, and
No,
you're
but the
talking
thing
as
is,
I'm
like, in
typing,
the
like, it's
morning,
hard for me
guys,
to hear.
no. Listen. He'll ask me a question. He'll be like, hey, what do you think about this? I answer. Like, the next day, he's like, yo, what do you think about this? Like, bro, we just had this fucking conversation. What do you mean? It's been a couple hours.
All right.
And he's like, oh, yeah, we spoke about that.
All right.
He literally did that this morning.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, we spoke about that.
All right. Yeah, we spoke about that yesterday, like when it was 10 o'clock when we were still in office. I'm sorry, I was so gassed I forgot. Like, holy.
I like when JJ says, "I understand," because that means he's listening.
No, he's actually not listening when he says that. That's his filler word. You know how people have like ums and like his is I understand.
Damn it, JJ.
We actually picked it up in office because he keeps saying it.
But my barber picked it up.
Did he?
Well, actually, did she? My barber
Did he
is
pick up the soap?
my barber is Latina.
Holy smokes.
Latina.
Guys,
who
we
rides
are
a
at
motorcycle.
200.
That's
We are about to touch our ADR low at 150. Like I said, our ADR set for today's session was ridiculous. Set at 565. That is redonkles.
Well, today risk management was very important. We'll find out in 1 hour and 10 minutes.
What are you at? What are you
I'll
at,
post it in
Poppy?
premium because that's. I'll put it in
Just in case
lock
he's
channels. Bro,
scouting.
we compete for 200K here. I'm not gonna throw it out.
Yeah,
in
for real,
public like that.
for real. He might be scouting.
Plus, for all I know, you guys are like on multiple platforms.
it
You
in.
crazy, bro?
Throw it in premium, or just message me it.
I could do that.
what happened? I was typing.
Yeah, just do it personal. We don't have to share it out loud. You never know if he has any ops in here.
Bro, I got ops everywhere. I got people DMing me like, "Hey, can you gift me accounts?" Like, no.
Hey, we're gonna give away accounts if you win.
Well, you know what? Actually, I didn't say no. I did say join us at Prophub. We give accounts away all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Funnel,
We
baby.
will 1,000% give away accounts if you win.
JJ's sister is probably a baddie.
She is.
It's true.
I smashed.
It's also true.
Spread cheeks and all.
Messages.
I need water. Fair.
Fair, fair.
Respectable.
Like the poker face. Fair, fair. Respectable.
Holy dumpy.
Oh man,
I know.
There's that 111 range. I was like, oh,
You just said, wait, is Jill JJ's sister?
that'd be wild,
That'd be weird.
bro. Now
Why's
we're
that weird?
reversing.
'Cause I'm smashing your sister.
No, it'd be
We
weird
could be
because that means
family.
I met my sister in her 20s. You know?
I think I'm gonna
That's the only
take
part
baby
that's weird
long.
about it.
Baby, I'm
That's
gonna
not
take a
weird
baby
that
long
I've
here.
been smashing.
Thanks. What do you think? 51 spectators. I'll take a baby long.
We're currently in our daily accumulation, and this is our CE right here at 100. We have our ADR, which is at 152. So it has a fat range to try to do the little suckings, but we'll see.
I don't know what you're talking about, but all I know is we're dumping.
You know what's
Holy.
funny? People keep messaging me, whether it's like in a Discord or DMing. They're like, "Bro, what's your strat? What's your strat? What's your strat?" And I'm like, "Fibs, supply and demand,
I've seen you write that.
like volume. That's it. It's
And then they read that and they're like, no, there's no way that's true.
Ace
He's
had me
lying to us.
in the last mastermind. He's like, "Can you explain your strat?" And I was like, "Okay, I'll try." But it's people.
You're like, people aren't gonna like it.
People look at it and they're like, "You got to be kidding me." That's
Hey
it?
man, it's all about KISS. Keep it simple.
I mean, I don't even know if I have VWAP up. I
Look
use
how far
VWAP.
it's gotten ya.
VWAP's decent. Yeah, I have VWAP. It's just so far. I got VWAP. Fibs. I like Fibs, supply and demand, top-down analysis from hard time frames.
Mhm.
And some of it's I hate to say, but like intuition a little bit, especially if you trade the same
Discretion.
instrument. Yeah, like
Just
if I
discretion.
spend hours and hours and hours trading NQ, so I know, oh, like prior weeks we were here at this level, and this is like where like bid wars start happening between buyers and sellers. Or VRVP is good. I think that's a great tool. I don't use it a lot, but I have it on. Range box duplication, absolute goated, like cracked.
Ooh, don't even get them
You know I
started.
saw Sole.
It's like
Don't
the
even get them.
most
No,
simple.
but range box duplication, it's not something you can find online.
No, you have to
Really?
make it.
Yeah, like it's something I used to teach way, way, way back then, and it was like one of Euro's like first classes, and
I swear I remember that.
yeah,
Yeah. It's nothing crazy special. And then you gotta sprinkle in some luck. Dude, that baby long is up from 115.
yep. And there is our ADR low. So as long as we can hold 150, you're looking pretty good because then we stay inside of today's range. We don't want to be really extending through our daily range, especially when it's 565 points and then we have news tomorrow. So most institutions will hold price inside here.
I won't show my position size, but watch this. I'm talking about taking the bottom. Where's my Discord? Dude, I swear, the older I get, either I'm just like exhausted, but I'm like find myself just searching around my desktop. Like, where's this tab? Where's that tab?
Damn, look at that entry. What a peak.
Listen, I don't want to talk about being a bottom ticker, but that's a bottom tick. That's a 3 minute.
For real.
3 minutes goaded too. I like 3 minute. I use split time frames. It's like it's a lot of things. It's not just one thing. Like there's no perfect like this works every time. It's
That's your
contour.
previous month value area low, by the way, Danny, at 194, which it just got.
See, I don't have any of that marked on my chart, but just I somehow like know kind of where the ranges are at. Oh no, don't come all the way back, baby.
Point of control is a good
I
one.
completely forgot I entered. I just looked at my screen. I'm like, I'm down, and it was at 190 where I said I would probably take.
Oh, 190.
You got too much going on.
Yeah,
Oh,
190,
I
194.
get stopped here at break even,
That's
and
fine.
that's okay.
You
That's
managed.
part of my capital
Yeah.
preservation. I
You
had
need
like
to stay above
half
150.
confidence. It was a risky entry. Yeah, stop the break even. I didn't realize anything on that. That's fine.
What it means?
I mean, I should have taken it, but I'm out here just chit chatting with y'all.
That's fine.
Dude, it is what it is. Like I said, at the end of the day, I feel like I won no matter what. So
You
just-
did.
Mm-hmm.
100% you did.
I mean,
the
you
more
beat
pressure.
64,998 people.
Well, the more pressure I put on myself, like I gotta go here, I gotta go ham, I gotta put on 10 cons, I gotta this, I gotta that. It's like I don't have it in me, honestly.
Holding 150 again, guys. Did that end up taking you, Danny?
Yeah, I tapped at break even. It was just 2 micros. It was a baby. It was up like, I mean, it was up like $200, which is not bad. This range is crazy, dude.
It is. It's absolutely ridiculous. Like your opponent could be through the roof, absolutely green, or he could be absolutely cooked if he's really trying to swing the bat today.
We'll
I mean,
see
when
at
you went
11.
from 8 to 4, was that a range day or was that like a trending day?
Which? Sorry.
The his
Position?
opponent who he's against, because we can kind of find out. Like, is he someone who, like, is he a
I looked
scalper
at
or
his
does he just?
trades. He's a
Okay,
scalper.
okay.
He takes a lot of
Mm.
trades. He'll put on like 10 micro, and he'll peel them off 2 at a time. Very similar to what I do.
Mm.
So he'll set up his trims. So he catches throughout the day. He'll catch
Nice points.
half a dozen trades that go like 100 points recently.
See if that can
Wow.
continue, guys.
But his losses are like $30 to $150. But he'll catch like a
So
2K trade.
That's
as
banger.
long as this can hold 200 to 194, I'm gonna keep this in. You guys saw that initial entry and that add-in. So it was around 140. First one was at like 170-ish. And back in at 200 on this.
What do you think about this volume tapering off a
Yeah.
little bit on the?
Just leave it. Just leave it.
I mean, I'm flat right now, but
You going all the way there? Wait, is that the boss? Is that the same place where when we walked in, the guy was on the phone and he was like, "Bombo class."
Testing underneath our previous month value area low again. Man, this chop is burning me.
this chop is chopping.
Yeah, this chop is chopping.
Yeah, did I
This
tell you
chop
that?
is like
23
90
points.
point chop
What's up?
too.
I was with Pasta one time, and we went to he needed to buy a vape. We walk in and there's a guy on the phone, like a Jamaican guy, and we're just like walking around, and then he just goes, "Bombo class." Oh, yeah. I swear he said that too. He was like dissing someone in patois, and it was hilarious.
Getting eaten up here, guys. Back at that ADR low. Anything crack of that ADR low is an out.
I mean, just look at that 2 minute. It's just up, down, up, down.
So it needs to hold ADR low. That was a crazy 70-point drop, 80-point drop now.
Well, this is another thing that I use. Nothing related to your trade, but I saw it rising on the 1 minute, but volume's tapering off. So to me, I like hesitate. It's just hard, man. Trading is just hard because sometimes I overanalyze too. You guys will learn in the class, like that's not a good thing. Like you want to analyze, but you don't want to overanalyze. Like fine balance.
Find balance.
It's
Fine
hard, man.
balance in your
Trading is
life.
the hardest way to
balance.
make easy money by far.
That is an absolute fact.
That's such a good like saying because it's so true.
Divergence, that's the word. Thank you.
Absolute fact.
Like, it doesn't really make sense until you actually start trading.
Yeah, and I guarantee you most of these people can understand that by now.
Mm-hmm.
Because I guarantee you most of them haven't even gotten a payout, right? So back at entry, guys.
I was at that Tradeify chat, and there was people like pretty late in the bracket, and they don't have a payout from Tradeify.
Wow.
So I'm in there with the payout gang tag from Tradeify, and I'm like, Bro, how are you guys this deep in the contest with no with no payouts here?
You know why? Because the psychology is completely different.
That's true. Yeah.
I don't even think I have the tag. I've received payouts, but I don't think I've ever posted my payout. That's
Yeah,
why.
you have to kind of there's a separate channel you posted in.
Yeah. I do have a different color, but mine's for partner.
Dude, man, I want to get in this long, but I'm gonna wait for either a
Right.
volume break.
Printed on Vanquish, currently up 20 points, as you guys can see. Nothing to write home about.
I want to
After
see
especially
the
being down.
volume. What I look for, Ace, and I don't know, this is kind of what I've been kind of testing out lately.
There
I
we
want to
go.
see the volume on a breakout candle surpass the volume on the prior candle.
Yep.
Is that a thing?
Yeah, the only thing about that is it's lagging, right? So
You have to wait. Yeah.
I'm gonna
We
teach
topped it there a little. They're like
something.
equal.
Yeah, I'll teach you something that really, really helps mitigate that through speed, so that you don't have to wait because it lags. And that's literally strictly off of quant. So basically, how to beat a lot of these lagging indicators to
Man,
get way
I'm
more
looking
precise.
forward to this. I'm looking forward to this a lot.
It is way more detailed and advanced than anything I've ever ran before. I've literally told them that. Like Kels was surprised how I'm squeezing in even more when the last masterminds just felt very heavy. But you know me, I like to give everything possible whenever I can.
Dude, you're such a nerd.
I am. I really am. And that
Like,
continuation, guys, there's 40. And flipping this account green right now. I can take some off now.
You know what I just noticed? On my
What's that?
trading
What?
view, I have so many numbers like at this area, and I looked back, and it's all the times that I marked out like Asia and London highs and lows that never got swept, and they were all here. Like I have like 10 of them in between 84 and like 195. So we just swept like all of them.
Guys, that absolutely printed on Vanquish. So
Man, I'm still skeptical.
not too shabby.
I'm not loving this volume, bro.
Nope.
I'm flat. I got
Yeah.
in a long and I closed break even. Base knows I'm so risk adverse. It works against me pretty often. I miss so many moves. I'm like, I don't know. I just need another confirmation. Like I hesitate a lot. I mean, I shouldn't care. I got a 50k drawdown, bro. I should just YOLO this thing and let it rip.
Yeah, that's dope.
I sent you a message, Danny, of how to be like
Oh,
a
I've
lot more
heard of
precise
this.
and quicker. Yeah, yeah. So I've integrated a lot of that where you don't even have to switch it, and like the indicator will already optimize to it. So once I wrap
Have
that up,
you
I'll send it over to you.
have you ever used Renko candles?
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Meh.
That's because it's based on
Nothing.
price, right? Not time.
Yeah. Still meh.
Yeah.
I
I've
think the one I sent you
two
will
of my
still
brothers
be like
trade, and
the
one of
most
them's like
superior.
my older brother's like, bro, you got to get on Renko. Like it's the secret sauce, and I'm like, I don't know.
It's like when everyone hops on like Hikanashi as well and
Mhm.
whatnot. Holding that 200, I did have my SL at 84, just allowing it to test that previous month value area low. And obviously, I can get a wick below, tap me out, and continue, but I'll be okay with that. Wow. And there we go. Just got tapped out, but good win nonetheless. Baby, lock them doors and turn them lights down low. I think we're all chilling here,
Yeah, like I
Danny.
was
Just
just
to
gonna
see
say,
your update.
there's like like not much to say about
Appreciate
this
it,
play.
guys. You're the wind in
I'm
my
just waiting for the
sails.
Grand Cup.
How's everyone like around you? Do they know like, hey, he's competing right now? Let's not bother him, even though we're trying to wrap up the houses this week.
Dude, even my subs, I told them, like, guys, I might not come to work at all tomorrow. Like, you guys, I mean, most of
Yeah.
it's subbed out, so I work through the weekend to catch up for the week. I go in the evening.
Right.
I think a couple days last week after the opening, it like consolidated quite a bit. So I was like, this is perfect. I'm gonna take like 3 hours, dip out, and then I try to make it home for power hour. More often than not, I saw the date and I was like, I don't even have to trade anymore. So a lot of people rag on me like, bro, you didn't even try. You made $200. Like, I didn't have to. He was down $20,000.
exactly.
Like, I'm gonna take my
About being
day back.
smart at the end of this, not working hard.
So basically, just go long and just call it a day.
When did Vinny show up?
Hey,
What
yo,
the fuck?
Vinny.
How does Vinny? Vinny can just insert himself. I need those perms, bro.
I got you, Danny.
Hey, Vinny has actually I can't say that.
But yeah, everybody around me, they're really
Wow,
supportive.
all the way back after testing our previous month value area low.
Alex has been a
Brian is waiting for
champ
something
too.
valid.
Dude. She just like clears everything so I can sit here. She like does the kids. She brings me my coffee, bro. She's like, good luck, and then she leaves.
Yeah, I would be doing that too
Did
if
she
you were
show
about to
you
make
her message to
200K.
me, Danny?
No, what's that?
Did she show you our DMs to each other?
She told me
bring it
they
up?
DM'd her.
Did she tell you what she said?
Yeah. Yeah. I said you're the best. I said that you bring me coffee, and he asked if I saw your DMs. With Ace.
Oh.
Yeah. But no, my wife.
I'm not gonna say it out loud, but
she's a beast in her own way. Like she's
she
crazy
is
in the
an absolute
fitness, and
beast.
she holds down the fort in the business that makes the most money.
Yep. Shout out her.
Banger.
She's an
I'm
animal.
not gonna say her name, but shout out her.
I'll get you a coffee if you need, Hero. I'm here.
Thanks.
We got so much insertion going on.
I do want to come up. I might come with the whole family up to
We have
Canadian.
so much penetration. Everyone is penetrating our chat.
Yeah, like non-consensually too. What is going on here?
Yeah, you definitely have to come up, meet Daisy. Let me see the kids.
Oh yeah.
You can hang
Bro,
out.
I'm so
come to
amped for Daisy.
office.
I can't lie. My goal is for me to be Daisy's favorite, but I gotta wait till she's like 1. Otherwise, it doesn't matter.
No, that's how it starts. You have to start when it's all subliminal, man. Not subliminal,
Cap.
subconscious.
Cap.
You don't
Trust,
think?
I've had little cousins that I met at like 2, and then I become their
Yeah,
favorite.
but look, it all starts with trust from the get go. Like that's why sometimes they like mom more, sometimes they like dad. You know,
Listen, just watch. I'm telling you.
That's different
he's
seasons.
gonna
My
be an
daughter used
absent
to.
uncle. He's gonna be an absent uncle until she's 1.
I'm gonna purposely not see her just to prove a point.
You got that volume,
Is
bro. I
that
didn't
the
think we were,
indicator?
I didn't think we were ready for that breakout.
And such different
Well,
from the
Toasty,
one
you want a
showed
girl?
us. Party. It's not that much more different. It's just a lot more optimized.
I want Daisy. Toasty wants your kid.
What the
She
fuck?
wants to steal Daisy.
What the fuck?
You
Can
know, my
she do
dog's
that?
name is Daisy.
I know.
She's.
I want to JJ. I'm not for sale.
Alright. Now I'm kind of liking longs. Volume's starting to pick up, and it held pretty well there.
Yeah.
The new volume rolling on those last few candles is starting to increase relative to the prior.
I'm with you. If we can hold above those levels, I will definitely be in with you.
See, another thing with me is I'm a very hesitant trader, so if I have like just a little bit of confluence, I just start building a position. And what I've been working on personally lately is not so much averaging down when I'm wrong, but averaging in when I'm right. And that's a really, really, really hard mental barrier to break.
Yeah, but I would only recommend that for people who actually have proof in the pudding. Otherwise, they're going to make an excuse for constantly averaging in.
That's true. And I don't go from like 1 to 10 cons. I'm talking like I'll start with 1 and I'll add another, and then
Yeah.
based on a number of indicators, I may or may not add another, or I may or may not trim. So every trade's unique. But something I'm still growing as a trader too, like learning.
Bro, how are you
Trading is
feeling
one of those
being up?
things you can just learn forever.
What's that, Vinny?
How are you feeling being up so much?
Like, you mean in the competition?
Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of surreal, to be honest. I'm trying to take it. I was psyching myself. I was like, there's 1,000 people in here. And then I kind of broke it down after talking with my wife. I'm like, I don't need to verse 1,000 people. I need to verse 10.
Facts.
So when I break it down, I just took it a day at a time. It was easier to chew, And there were days like, oh, this guy's a goat. I'm like, well, I still got to show up. I still got to do my trades, and maybe I got lucky. They were having an off day, but
Did you
Bro, you
hop
did
on
not do it, bro.
Tradeify?
what was that?
Did you end up hopping on Tradeify TV?
No, they keep inviting me. They're like, we'd love to have you at the open. I'm like, bro, no.
I'm trying to focus and dial in.
Yeah, like why are you guys trying to sink my ship? Get out of here, bro. No. I will. I
real.
will 100% reach out and be like, let's do an interview. I'd love to talk about the contest. Obviously, I'm going to promote Prophub and talk about the mentorship, and might be a pretty cool
Whoa, Discord
discussion.
just bugged up for a sec.
Just testing these upper ranges again. I'm just gonna drag my SL.
Yo, Vinny, you have an op in chat, by the way. Just wanted to let you know.
He has an op.
No, user, I'm not down 40k. That's not my style.
So
Let's see if we
4
can
o'clock.
break these highs, guys.
4 o'clock closing bell is when it ends, right?
Yes.
Like 4:15, I think, right?
4:15.
There we go. There's the long.
Oh man, I'm over here chit chatting. I'm missing my building my position. I'm still good with what I have. Bro, that's over 50 points there.
Getting some actual movement now.
Volume's decent too.
Baby, we ain't got no place to go. Yo, anybody here listen to Ella Langley? I don't. I'm just asking a question. Just want to make that clear. Let me be clear.
Yes, the name sounds familiar.
Ella Langley's a banger.
She's like the country girl. Oh my God.
Yep.
Pasta, we only listen to Drake. All right, I understand.
Yup. There we go. And let me flatten there. So also took that on my Vanquish guys. And you know what? Why don't we take a payout live?
Hey.
Now that's not
W's in
transparency.
the chat.
Let's take a payout live. people. Why not? Let's just wait
This
for it
company.
to update completely. And we'll take a payout, guys.
Who's that with? That gives it instant like update P&L like that? A lot of props wait to close.
Well, that's on Vanquish, so the options prop firm. But a lot of them did switch over to live dashboards now. So like even Top One Futures has a live dashboard. Who else has a live dashboard? Rams? Tradeify? Tradeify has a live dashboard. Top Step has a live dashboard. But Top Step, you have to wait till the close to get the payout, no?
You have to what?
You've got it during. Yeah, it's I don't know. Everyone is
You're just asking if you can divide your payout with him. I just thought you should know that.
Me? No.
Think about
Bro,
it. No.
whether I win second or first, it's already all reinvested. Just depends how much is getting sent to where.
Except he's buying me a Garmin Phoenix 8 AMOLED, bro. You guys gotta. This has been predetermined for months.
What the hell's a Garmin Phoenix?
Watch, I think.
Oh, is it
I
the
had to
watch?
Google it myself.
Best watch
Yeah.
ever,
Wait,
dude. Literally,
there's an OLED Garmin.
it's so sick, dude. It's the
Wow.
best. I'm buying one unless Euro buys it for me. Best watch ever, dude.
Then I'm
Unless
not
Euro
buying your
buys it.
watch.
What
Go
the
buy it.
fuck?
Go buy it. I'm not buying it.
What the fuck?
Go
So
buy
he's
it.
buying it for me. So he's buying it for me. Is what I just.
I don't even
heard.
think he would buy me it. What the fuck?
Guys, I told you this money's already been like dog-eared for other stuff.
Yeah, I get it.
A lot of people
Yo,
are
Vinny,
do this, man.
Pasta said that you guys should fight, and if you win, he'll buy it for you.
I
No,
cannot
but
wait. I
Vinny's
cannot
a
wait.
unit. I'm not going up against him.
Yo, see. All right, I'll just fight you, Euro, for the one. Let's pull up to
No.
your house.
No, Pasta's saying Pasta wants to fight you, Vinny.
Pasta. I don't want to fight pasta.
See, I'll pay for that.
What the?
Pasta's a unit.
Yo.
Bro, you gotta know where your strengths are at.
Facts, you're right.
We can
We
stream
can
it. Would
live
we get
stream
banned?
it.
Would we get banned if we did that?
No.
Discord only.
Not if it's like yeah. Not
Well, if it's
like
like
a-
boxing, then
What
it
do we
should, you
like
know,
to
be fine.
like gladiator fight to the death? Like,
I'm just waiting for my dashboard to update for y'all. Request this. I want to leave some drawdown in it. So we'll see.
Yeah, that video's a banger. Yo, Vinny, can we
Yo.
whitelist like all of our links in chat? Is that possible?
It should already be whitelisted. What one wasn't whitelisted?
Like VDV tried sharing a link from one of our videos on Instagram.
It should already be whitelisted.
And it got slapped.
If that ever happens, all you have to do is go to logs and then just copy it from there and repost it for them, because that's where they get deleted too.
User. Holy. That's funny.
How funny.
Is it?
Pretty funny.
Yo, JJ, I watched the Summit of the Gods last night on Netflix. That was
What even is that?
Dude,
You
it's
told
an
me about that.
anime about mountain climbing, and it was sick.
Dude, I know what you're gonna watch next, by the way. I've decided, but we have to watch it together, and the only reason I'm telling you is because I want to rewatch it. Like really
Right.
bad. Is Toasty here? Yo, Toasty, you know what I'm gonna get Vinny to watch? Hunter.
Interacts
'Cause I wanna
Hunter.
I wanna rewatch it.
That's our CE right there at 260 guys that we're getting pinned at. Obviously, you guys can see my screen, but got pinned at our Asia low at 303, and that's CE, which sits right at 261. So
JJ, here's the direct link for you to go add stuff to the Me6 bot chat.
Does anybody else have access to that?
No, they would have to have admin in the Discord.
Oh, okay. Hunter. I'm gonna make him watch Hunter, Toasty, in the Toastings.
get in.
Don't give me that. Hunter's so peak. I'll ban you. Hunter's actually peak. Do
How
it? No, I
peak?
can't do it. You have lifetime. You're basically an admin.
Should I really?
All right,
mess
should we
with
request?
Oscar?
Are you gonna do live payout request in front of the chat?
We can do it. Yeah, let me end on
No cap dizzle.
TikTok. Ain't no one on there anyway, but me and you.
But we're our best supporters. Everybody on socials, on YouTube, on everything else, wherever you are, Twitch, X, Kick, join the Discord. It's 100% free to join, and it's where you can actually see the Tradeify screen share, which is pretty banger. And that's it. So later socials, Discord, we're still
Later
chilling.
socials. Later socials.
It's because of
177.
Hisoka, dude. That's so funny. Like, what